Israel strikes Houthi targets in Yemen, killing at least 4 people. Israel has said it bombed Houthi targets in Yemen on Sunday in response to missile fire by the Iran-aligned militants and Israel over the past 2 days, marking yet another front in fighting in the Middle East. Israeli strikes killed at least 4 people, wounding 29, Houthi-run Health Ministry has said in a statement. Residents said the bombing had caused power outages in most parts of the port city of Hodeidah. I'm going to go straight across to Geeta Mohan for more details on that story. Geeta, further escalation with Israel now striking on Yemen's Hodeidah, injuring more than 29. Get us more details this morning of that particular strike, Geeta.
Well, it is after looking at all those proxies that have been working against Israel. Israel one by one is targeting areas that from where they have been a target, from where missile attacks take place, where drone strikes take place. And so after Hamas, then Hezbollah, and now the Houthis. So yes, Yemen was the natural next target of Israel, and what they have done is targeted a very critical area. That's the Hodeidah, that is the port area, and part of the port city has been impacted and affected. The statement that the Israelis have put out has clearly said that they've attacked power plants and a seaport, which means that they are crippling the Houthis' infrastructure and the functioning of the Houthis in terms of how they're really going to go ahead and mount a strike on Israel. So, firstly, trying to cripple their any retaliatory plans, and on the other hand, also sending out a very strong message that next it is the Houthis in Yemen who have been a real problem for them in the Red Sea. They've stopped a lot of the commercial lines and have attacked most of the ships which are either Israel, which bear the Israel flag, or have all those countries who are moving their ships to Israel. All of them had come under attack in the recent past by the Houthis of Yemen.
Israel right now fighting on 4 fronts, really: Gaza, Yemen, Syria, Lebanon.